Hello everyone, welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn. As part of our daily reading practice, we will do a reading comprehension today. It's about giraffe. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions at the end. For more reading comprehensions on animals, simply click on the playlist card above. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. World. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. It has long legs and a very long neck. It has long legs and a very long neck. Read again. It has long legs and a very long neck. Giraffes like to eat leaves. Leaves. lot, but, drink, very, little. They eat a lot but drink very little. They eat a lot but drink very little. Let's read the passage one more time. If you want, you can pause the video here and try to read it yourself. Or if you want to listen, I will read it out for you. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. It has long legs and a very long neck. Giraffes like to eat leaves. Their long necks help them to eat leaves in the tree tops. Giraffes live in groups called towers. They eat a lot but drink very little. It's time to answer a few questions. Good luck. Which of these is giraffe? And the answer is what do giraffes eat? Leaves or insects? Giraffes eat leaves. What is a tower? The options are a tall building or a group of giraffes. And the correct answer is a group of giraffes. True or false? Giraffes drink a lot of water. It's false. Giraffes drink very little, but they eat a lot. What is the tallest animal in the world? Camel, elephant, or giraffe? And the answer is giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Hope you liked the reading comprehension. Please give us a thumbs up and write to us in the comment section below. For more such videos, subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. Press the bell icon and stay connected with us. Thank you.